What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach Koko and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and everything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today I'm going to take you a little bit more into some of my skincare routine that I do and use after practice. It is so common to have breakouts and blemishes and all of that after practice. So I want to show you exactly what I do, and I've been doing for like 10 years now to make sure my skin is clear, and that way I don't get some of that sweat and oil into my skin after practice. All right, let's get right into it. So oddly enough, I use the same products that I've used now that I used when I started playing volleyball in 10th grade. And if you haven't heard that story, it's on my channel, so definitely check that out. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get myself situated, especially since my volleyball practice is usually after work and later in the day. So I have this thing called the Turby Twist, and the Turby Twist is what I put around my hair because I wear a lot of different styles, as you guys have seen, and it keeps my hair out of my face. That way I can better have access to all of my skin to ensure that it gets clean evenly. I really like the Turby Twist because it's easy to put on, especially when I have my puffs. So all you have to do is just Velcro it to the back, and then you just keep it on, and then that way it can keep things out of your face, especially when you have to clean all of your face. So I use these gentle makeup wipes. I have been wearing makeup for a long time, and I've done a lot of different makeup removers. I've done the oil, the wipe, all of that. And the wipe is the most gentle, especially as I get older. I want to make sure to wipe gently around my eyes because it is the thinnest of all of our skin. So we want to make sure to take very good care of our eye skin and skin around our nose. So I wipe all of my makeup off really gently before I wash my face. And I have a new piercing now on my face, so I have to make sure to clean that really well. So this is how I clean my piercing, make sure that I'm going inside of the nostril to make sure I get everything around it, because when you sweat can drip into that, and I don't want it to get infected. So I'm cleaning all around the skin on the top as well, taking some time and using a very close-up mirror so I can see everything, because I want to take care of the piercing so it heals correctly. Now the first step of the product I use, Clinique, is the liquid facial soap. So I use the liquid facial soap, but I'm trying to make sure to conserve product, because sometimes when you're overzealous and you just squirt the product in your hand, you'll use a lot of it. And I know the bottle says dime size, so I just do one pump, and then I get some water and lather it around my face. And that's when I often take some time to just wash my face really gently, lathering all around my neck. Don't forget behind your ears, all of that. And sometimes I dance if I have music on, something like that. But that's just about it with the liquid face soap. So as you can see, I took a little bit of time lathering, and I did that because I want to make sure to get all of my pores, the dirt and the grime out of my pores, so that way it's nice and clean. Then I'm going to wet my washcloth very gently and then gently take it to my face so I can clean everything in smooth strokes, because you don't want to pull your skin. That's the biggest thing I see happen, is people pull their skin, and that can prematurely cause wrinkles. And I know you guys don't really care about wrinkles, but for me, I'm getting up there, so I care about it. I have this little paper that I use, and I just fan my face because I like that cool air and it makes me feel fresh, especially when I'm waking up in the morning. And then the next step is this toner. Now I use this toner specifically after practice because it is really drying. I only use about one bottle tilt over, and usually you use it with a cotton ball. You just gently take it across your face because it cleans the pores extra, but don't use it all the time because it is drying. Now, because it is winter time, my face has been really dry, so I have a lot of moisture-based products. I have this oil control gel. I also have another gel that's for nighttime use, but I'm just going to use this oil control gel. As you can see, I don't got it anymore, but I'm going to put it over my face and make sure that it covers all of my skin. And I also went to the mall this past weekend and I got some Moisture Surge, which is really exciting for me because I really wanted it. It is a product that adds triple the moisture to your face, especially those dry areas like around my nose. In the winter here in North Carolina, it's been particularly dry, and then other days it's wet, so it kind of switches, and I'm trying to make sure to keep my skin moisturized at all times. So that are some of the products that I use. I will leave all of those products in the description box below. After I clean everything, I usually check in the mirror, pump myself up, give myself some confidence, look at my skin, and tell myself that I'm great. I hope that you guys like this skincare routine and my little dance routine, and yeah. So did you like it? Did you learn something new that you can use to your skincare routine? What are some of the products that you use for your skin after practice? I know that some of you guys may be new to skincare and some of you guys have been doing it a long time. But what are some things that you use when you are practicing skincare, self-care, and all of those things for after practice? All right, well, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.